Spain, young Ferdinand lives with other calves and bulls at Señor Moreno's Casa del Toro, where bulls are trained for bullfighting. Ferdinand is a pacifist and loves flowers, and is bullied by the other calves Valiente, Guapo, and Bones. A matador arrives, and the calves' fathers fight to impress him. Ferdinand's father Raph is picked, so Valiente crushes Ferdinand's favorite flower in retaliation. Raph does not come back from the ring, and Valiente's father explains that Raph was soft, and that the soft ones go down. Ferdinand runs away from Casa del Toro, and he winds up on a flower farm owned by Juan and his daughter Nina, who adopt him. Two years later, Ferdinand has grown into an enormous, but still gentle bull. One determines that Ferdinand looks too scary to take along to the annual flower festival, as in previous years. Ferdinand follows them anyway, but is stung by a bee and panics, accidentally destroying the town square. Animal control officers deem him dangerous, and take him away before Nina and Juan can explain. The officers decide to give Ferdinand to Casa del Toro, where he meets his old mates Valiente, Bones, and Guapo, plus new additions such as Lupe the goat, and two new bulls, Angus and Makina. Ferdinand tries to escape, but is stopped by three German Lepizan horses. The next day, snooty matador El Primero arrives, needing a bull for his final bullfight before retirement. Moreno puts all the bulls in a ring to fight it out, but Ferdinand refuses to take part, causing a chain of mishaps when he tries to help Guapo recover from a stage fright-induced faint. El Primero gives Moreno 2 days to get the bulls into shape. Guapo was sent to the slaughterhouse, and Valiente informs a horrified Ferdinand that non-fighters now become meat. That night, Ferdinand comforts Bones as he grieves for Guapo, making a friend of him. The next day, he fixes Angus' hair so he can see better, earning another friend. Ferdinand, Bones, and Angus then challenge the horses to a dance-off, and Makina joins in the fun, helping them win. Valiente mocks them for bonding and wasting valuable practice time, causing the other bulls to sadly abandon Ferdinand and return to training. With the help of three hedgehogs Una, Dos, and Cuatro, Ferdinand and Lupe try to escape through the house. Ferdinand finds a wall of horns in a trophy room, including his father's. Realizing what is in store for the other bulls if El Primero selects one of them, Ferdinand goes back and warns them to run for their lives. Valiente refuses to accept the truth, and starts fighting Ferdinand, accidentally breaking off his own horn. He is taken to the slaughterhouse, and Ferdinand is chosen by El Primero for the bullfight after he witnesses what happened. Ferdinand rescues Valiente, as well as Guapo, who had not yet been killed. Together, Lupe, the bulls and the hedgehog steal Moreno's truck and flee to Madrid, and El Primero threatens Moreno that if his staff does not catch Ferdinand, El Primero will fight Moreno in the Rabbit Square. They abandon the truck and flee on foot to the Atocha train station. Ferdinand helps the others get aboard the train, as well as sacrificing himself to buy them time to get away. He is captured and brought to the ring, but a video of the bull's escape has made the news. Recognizing Ferdinand on TV, Paco alerts Juan and Nina, who hurry to Madrid to save Ferdinand. In Las Ventas Arena, Ferdinand refuses to fight and starts running around in blind panic, accidentally knocking over and humiliating El Primero. El Primero wounds him with a banderia, and Ferdinand nearly retaliates until he sees a carnation crushed beneath his hoof. Not wishing to hurt anyone, Ferdinand spares El Primero and sits down, waiting to be killed. The crowd yells for El Primero to let Ferdinand live, and he decides to put down his sword and leave with dignity. By being himself, Ferdinand becomes the first bull to survive a bullfight, and is reunited with Nina. Moreno then brings Lupe, Ferdinand and the rest of the bulls to Nina's farm.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Till the next one, bye.